Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Caresmith Spark toothbrush, rechargeable toothbrush. The company claims that you can get 20 days of backup. You can use it for 20 days if you charge it once for 4 hours. Before this toothbrush I was using Oral-B's rechargeable toothbrush. It's not a very good one because the action is very harsh on your gums and teeth. You can hurt your teeth with this toothbrush, and I was not very happy with this toothbrush, so I returned to my manual toothbrush. That's why you see the mold here. I have not been using it for more than 1 year and all. So now I'm going back to another rechargeable toothbrush. The reason for going back to rechargeable toothbrush is I was not very happy with my manual brush. I was not able to reach all corners of my teeth, which resulted in plaque generation, and every year when I went to my dentist for my regular checkup I had the same issue. So I'm hoping to change all things by buying 3 sets of toothbrushes for my entire family. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so this is the first set. Second one, identical looking, no changes. The company gives 2 sets of bristles free with one toothbrush. I'll unbox one for you. As you can see, the box is okay. It says Caresmith 1 year warranty is there, and says feather light design, 2-minute start timer. Oh, one thing that I need to mention is this has a unique feature of 2 minutes where you can set a timer for 2 minutes. So what it does is the toothbrush switches off after 2 minutes, and after every 30 seconds it will remind you to change your action so that you brush everywhere, including gums. Let's see what is there in the box. Okay, another box looks like, or a plastic covering. Okay, 6-month additional free warranty if you register. Okay, so that makes it 1 year and 6 months. Very good. Oh, this is a conditional warranty. If you write a review, then only they will give you the warranty. Anyway, let's continue with the brush. Here are the 2 bristles I was talking about. Both are soft. So there are 2 kinds of bristles. One is medium. I guess this is about the softness of the bristle. And the first one is soft. So let's see how soft it is. Okay. It's very soft. It's compared to my earlier toothbrush. I would say this is softer than my Oral-B toothbrush. And let's now check the medium one. I have to remember the color. Okay, they have color coded it. So green means medium and blue means soft. Fair enough. Okay, this one is a little harder than the soft one, but I would say this is comparable to my old toothbrush, that Oral-B, and this is much softer than the previous toothbrush. Okay, now let's check the USB cable. Oh, this is a simple USB cable. The length is quite good. I would say this is around 2 feet or 3 feet, 2.5, 3 feet. Fair enough. Normal, not Type-C, just normal USB charger. So this is the brush. Okay. So this has 6 modes, different modes that I'll try to show you as I learn. I've not used it before. This is the USB plug-in point. What you can do is you can put your one end here and the other end to your charger or to your laptop or any USB output, and charge it for 4 hours, and you can use it for 20 days as claimed by the company. We won't charge it, we will just see whether it works or not without charging for our unboxing purpose. So here are the things that you get with the within the box. User manual. It's quite an exhaustive one. You can read it before using it. USB cable for charging the brush, and 2 bristles, and the main unit, and an adjunct 6-month additional warranty if you write a review. So let's measure it, how much it weighs. We'll find out whether it is light or not. It says 57 grams, which I think is quite light. Feels light in your hand, doesn't feel heavy. I would say it is heavier than a normal brush, but not as heavy as my old brush. I would say it's pretty good. Okay, let's move on to the next. So here is how you should fix the brush. So you can see there are grooves made out to, as you can see that there are grooves that you can fix the brush here. You should turn it and fix it before using it. There's a lock position that you should ensure that it is. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but the lock position is there. This part will lock it. So make sure your bristle is locked before using it. So insert it here like this and then twist it. This will make sure that your brush is secure. And while taking out, same, twist it and pull it. I'll show it to you again. See, now it is fixed, it won't come out. So let's turn it on. So to turn it on, you just have to power on this mode, and then it will do the magic on your own. It will start vibrating. So the brush has 6 operating modes. So we will see one by one all the 6 operating modes. So if you press this button, the first light should glow. This is the high intensity mode. It says that it removes surface stains and whitens teeth. Let's see how it works. Okay, so this is the first mode. This is called high intensity mode. As you can see, the brush is vibrating at a very high speed, and I would recommend not to use this mode for the first time. Let's see the second mode, which is medium intensity mode. The second light should glow, indicating a constant light means the second mode. This is the medium intensity mode. The manual says this is ideal for everyday exceptional clean. So let's see the second mode. So this is the medium intensity mode. As you can see, the second light is glowing constantly. This is ideal for everyday use. I think the intensity is slightly lower than the high intensity mode. Let's check the third mode. This is called low intensity mode. This is called low intensity mode. As you can see, the brush is vibrating from all ends. I can see that there are different actions. Unlike my Oral-B old toothbrush, this one, I think every brush is having its own action. I like the third mode a lot, low intensity mode. Let's check the fourth mode. fourth mode is the gum care mode, that it gently massages your gum and promotes blood circulation. So the indicator is the first light will glow intermittently. As you can see that the first light is glowing intermittently, indicating that you have reached the fourth mode, which is gum care mode. So it is gently massaging your gums, which promotes blood circulation. Let's try the fifth mode, which is called sensitive care mode. So it massages your gums and protects your teeth. Let's see how it works. As you can see, the second light is blinking intermittently. This is different from the other modes. So every mode is different. That's what I have observed as of now. So let's try the last mode, which is called deep clean mode, where the third light will glow intermittently. So this is supposed to be very invigorating, and it is supposed to deep clean your teeth. Oh wow, what kind of action is this? This is amazing. All brushes are moving in different ends. Like there is a pattern, but this is completely different from all other modes. Now this is my favorite mode. I've changed my favorite to the sixth mode, which is deep clean mode. I think I'll be using this mode a lot. Thank you. I think this completes all mode. I'll give you a complete review if I find it worth enough. Thank you. Thank you for watching.